My name is Ashvij. I'm the president of Guardian Avionics. And let me just give you a little background. Now, previously, we were also known as CO Guardian. We've been making carbon monoxide detectors now for about 16 years. And we changed our name to Guardian Avionics as we're going to be introducing some new products this year. And our CO detectors have been standard equipment in all the new Cessna, Cirrus, Diamonds, plus a lot of other OEM vendors for protection in the GA market. So this year, we're going to be introducing our new product, and it's called the Aero 454. And I guess the biggest thing is, what is the Aero 454? Well, it solves two of the biggest problems for pilots. For pilots, they have to input their data on the flight plans in their Garmin GPSs, and then as everybody's now flying with IEFBs with the iPads and Android tablets to get the data from the flight plan. Well, we want to introduce this new product, and it's called the Aero 454, and this is the future. What we have done is we have taken the CO detector portion, and we have also added a Bluetooth. And that Bluetooth now will take the Garmin GPS aviation data output and retransmit it to iPads. So if a pilot is flying, he'll be able to get his GPS data as he's inputting in the flight plan to automatically show up on his iPad. So when he's flying, he doesn't have to look at two different things. And one of the greatest features about this product is that you'll be able to display it on 3 iPads simultaneously, just using the Bluetooth GPS. So a pilot can be looking at one thing, the co-pilot could be looking at something else. They'll be getting all their flight plan reference data, and then also people sitting in the back, if they're using just the standard Google map or any of the other devices that the vendors are showing over here, they'll be also getting their GPS location on their iPad through Bluetooth instead of Wi-Fi. And this one here, we're just showing a simple example where the pilot put in approach to going into San Francisco. And as you can see on this, a little bit hard to see here, but he's going to shoot the full approach into San Francisco, and it'll show him as he's loading the approach into his iPad, into his Garmin GPS, it'll automatically translate it to his iPad. And then he can be watching his airplane flying on the iPad, and he can switch back and forth on different approach plates, high altitude, low altitude charts. And of course, when he's coming in on final, the approach plates show up because the iPad has so much more data, and the airplane is just giving him WAS data from his built-in GPS to his airplane. The main advantage is that you don't have to worry about now having those little hockey pucks sitting on the windshield. You don't have to worry about running out of batteries. You don't have to worry about, is my GPS receiver on my iPad 3G, getting good strong signals, or is the electric windshield turned on? So it's a little box that sits behind the panel, and whatever the pilot is doing on his Garmin's G1000, G900s, all the different products that have aviation data output, it'll be just retransmitting it to the iPads. And some of the biggest features is it is FAA TSO certified. It's a very easy install. On the average, it's about 2 hours to install this thing, and it's capturing all the WAS data. So we have a lot of airplanes out there that have flying with the G1000 with our CO detectors and all the Cirrus, Cessnas, and Diamond aircraft. This is just a plug and play. You can remove the old 452, which is our previous model, and replace it with the 454. And that's it. And come and see us and our new product at the booth 230 and give you a live demo on it. Thank you very much.
Aero-TV's live coverage of the 55th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Safety is vital in all flight operations, and WAS LPV, specifically Universal Avionics WAS LPV solution, provides the operator with additional choices, safer choices, than traditional instrument landing systems.